All right, today's practice lock is a brass master lock, and it is a number 4, suitable for marine use, and it's not really a cheap lock. I think it's listed for about $30 somewhere. It's about the same size as a number 3 master lock. That's the number 3 that everybody likes to open. I'm going to try to open this thing, this brass lock, and if I can get the clock going, just going to use a little tension on the cylinder, and I'm going to use this little wave, very small wave pick. I'm just going to set it in there, and then I'm going to start the clock. So there you go, 10 seconds for this master brass. There's the keys. That was pretty easy. These master locks are generally pretty easy to open up, even with a low set of skills. But we'll give it some cowbell anyway. Knuckleball.